What up, guys? Today I'm gonna talk about training legs. So, what do I mean by that? Well, there's a very popular common tactic in today's bodybuilding world. A lot of young guys today in the gym, they only train fucking upper body. What the fuck has happened? They only train chest, shoulders, and back. And arms, of course, arms. Sorry. Of course, those guys train arms. But they forget the legs. They constantly don't train legs. And then you have guys who are maybe a little bit big on the upper body, and then they have fucking chicken legs, which just doesn't look right. In my opinion, it just fucking looks weird. Plus, a lot of the strength from the body comes from legs. Legs are most of your body's muscle. The upper body is nothing compared to the lower body. So it's just fucking weird. It doesn't look right. Yeah, you look great on the upper body. You have shoulders and you have a big chest, but your fucking legs are small, dude. You gotta fucking train your legs. There's nothing worse than a big guy who has chicken legs. Nothing worse than that. Now, I'm not saying, some guys have small calves because they have bad genetics, but a lot of guys just don't train legs anymore. They don't do that shit. They only do bench press, rows, and curls. That's the only things they do. And not even that, right? Most guys just do fucking flies. Flies and back pulls. That's the gym nowadays. Which is just wrong. A lot of guys just do isolation bullshit exercises just for the upper body. They don't train legs. Plus, they don't even train the upper body effectively. Which is, I don't know what's the culprit of that. I don't know whose fault. Probably a lot of YouTubers who fucking lie. A lot of bullshit tips on the internet, in magazines, just straight up bullshit. You gotta train legs. There's nothing better to transforming the whole body than a squat or a deadlift. The deadlift guys, you rarely see a young guy deadlifting in today's gym. They only do fucking what? They do flies and face pulls and some bullshit on fucking those big rubber balls. Where has this world gone to? It's fucking crazy. The deadlift is the greatest exercise ever. The deadlift is, I don't think, if I only had to do one exercise for the rest of my life, I would definitely do the deadlift. Deadlift above everything. It's a total body movement. It makes you strong. It keeps you healthy. It builds muscle. And it's, the best exercise for transforming your whole body. And it builds great legs. It builds tree trunk legs. Because, to me, if you're a bodybuilder who has big arms, it just looks weird that you don't train legs. Like I know a lot of guys who lifted weights. They have a little bit big arms and wide back, but their legs are fucking small. That doesn't look good. That looks weird. So you definitely should train legs, guys, just as much as you train upper body. It's just as important, if not even more important. Most of your total body strength comes from your legs. So you definitely should train your legs. Don't don't be that guy who has fucking chicken legs. Don't do that. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out.